To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Amino app. So when you find the app, just tap on it for some while and tap on app info. After tapping on app info, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions, and make sure every permission is allowed over here. Try to allow every permission. It's very necessary. So after allowing every permission, as you can see, no permission denied. Now go back, tap on notifications, and make sure every show notification is the good here. That's where you're going to get notification from them if they have NEP challenges. So background data, you have to make sure this is turned on. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, try to search for Amino app. And as you can see, this is the app. So what you have to do over here is to tap on this section, which is the, where the written open. When you can find update over here, just tap on the update to update your device. But when you can find open, just leave it like that and restart your device. So you have to update it. So after that, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.